guys, today I'm going to cook some gourmet hot dogs. So let's get toasting. I bought these at Safeway. They were $9.99 for 5 hot dogs. These are Snake River Farms Gourmet Frankfurters made with American Wagyu beef. Now I cooked 2 of these already. Like I said, wasn't sure if I was going to do a video with them or not, but first one I just cooked like that, and it was interesting because it split open down the middle, and I thought the skin was a little bit chewy, so I wasn't really that crazy about that. And then I looked on their website, and what they suggested was to split them down the middle. So I tried the next one like that, split down the middle, and the interesting thing that happened with that one is it curled up in the pan almost like a U shape. So I'll do the second one that way just so you can kind of see what happens. And the last one I'm going to do, I haven't tried this yet, but I'm going to split it down the middle same way, and then I'm going to put some cross cuts like that and see if that keeps it from curling up. Let me do that real quick. So what I did with this one, I did it out of the pan because it was a little bit easier, but I made cross cuts about every ½ inch or so, and I didn't go all the way through the hot dog. I'll do this last part so you can see. I just cut like part way through, maybe halfway through the hot dog, and we'll see if that keeps it from curling up like that other one did. Okay, I'm going to cook all 3 of them. We'll see what happens. This 10-inch cast iron skillet fits perfectly in my toaster oven, so I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll see what happens here. It's been about 15 minutes. Let's take a look here. Look at that. Isn't that the craziest thing you ever saw? Those are almost in a circle. Those curled up as well, the front ones that I cut. And the back one, I don't know. We'll take a look at the back one. I've never seen hot dogs curl up like that. Isn't that crazy? That one's pretty brown on the bottom. That one as well. Let's see if this one broke open. Oh yeah, see how they break open? It just burst open if you don't cut them open. Now I'm going to cut a little piece off each one of these. And I'm just going to taste it off camera, and then I'll come back and let you guys know if I could tell any difference in the taste or the texture. I tried all 3 of those, and the thing I noticed the most, the ones I split down the middle tasted pretty much the same, but I noticed the skin or the casing seemed a little bit more chewy on the one I left whole, the one that just split open. And also the whole one seemed a little bit saltier to me. So if I could pick one way that I like them cooked, it would be the last way where I split it down the middle and then did the little cross cuts. I felt like the skin was a little more tender and easier to eat that way. As far as the flavor of those, they have pretty good flavor, a slight smoky flavor to them, but they're pretty good tasting hot dogs. Guess we'll let Annie try it. Let the wiener dog try a wiener. She's half dachshund. Here we go, Annie. Want to try that? I guess that's Annie approved. That was kind of a fun video. I've never seen hot dogs curl up like that. Pretty crazy. If you get bored, get some and try it for yourself. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.